To ensure that the ChatGPT app works perfectly, you should make sure to update it from time to time. This is a pretty simple way to keep issues like crashing and freezing at a fair distance. Thankfully, ChatGPT offers a pretty neat way to update the app on your Mac, both manually and automatically. That said, let's get started. So first off, you have to launch the ChatGPT app on your Mac. Now click on your profile at the bottom left corner of the screen. After that, you have to select the settings option in the menu to proceed. Then click on the check for updates option, and after that click on the install update button to update the app. If you want to automatically update the app, simply check the box for automatically download and install updates in the future, and that's about it. So that's how you can quickly update the ChatGPT app on your macOS device. Note that if the ChatGPT app is already updated on your Mac, you should see an alert saying that the app is updated. As I said above, there are multiple reasons why you should keep apps updated on your macOS device, or for that matter, on any device. First and foremost, it plays a vital role in helping apps run smoothly. On top of all, it also offers the much needed shield to the apps to fight out hacking or malicious attacks. Now that you have unlocked this neat feature, make the most of it to ensure that the ChatGPT app is able to deliver the best for you. And that's pretty much it. If I found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy macOS tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye.